Finding the best outdoor wok burner can make outdoor cooking feel faster, hotter, and more fun, especially when you want real stir-fry flavor at home. The best outdoor wok burner gives you strong heat, better control, and enough power for backyard cookouts, camping trips, or weekend cooking in the USA where outdoor kitchens are common. I've tested different setups over time and learned that heat output, stability, and fuel type matter more than most people expect. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Artisan Fire Outdoor Cooker Stove Set. The Artisan Fire Outdoor Cooker Stove feels like a complete outdoor cooking kit right out of the box. Complete cooking set makes it very beginner-friendly for outdoor use. Windguard burner frame helps keep the flame steady even when cooking outside in open areas. The tall stand also gives better working height. It includes wooden utensils that make handling food easier and more natural. A minor downside is that the setup can feel a bit bulky for small storage spaces or tight patios. Still, it's a practical all-in-one choice for outdoor cooking and weekend meals. Number 4. Concord Professional Banjo Wok Burner. The Concord Professional Single Banjo Wok Burner with stand feels like a serious outdoor cooking machine built for high heat. Ultra-high BTU heat gives it intense fire strength for real wok-style cooking outdoors. Drop-in wok ring design helps you get that full 360-degree cooking motion, which brings out deeper flavor in stir-fry. A minor downside is that the very high heat can be overwhelming for beginners and needs careful control. Still, it feels like a powerful choice for anyone wanting real outdoor wok performance with strong, consistent fire. Number 3. Eastman Outdoors 90411 Kahuna Burner Portable. The Eastman Outdoors 90411 Portable Kahuna Burner feels like a powerful outdoor cooking tool made for real heat lovers. High BTU output makes it heat up fast and stay steady during cooking. Adjust remove legs give you control over height, which helps when switching between wok cooking and larger pots on uneven outdoor ground. A minor downside is that it can feel a bit tall for very small outdoor tables or low cooking stands. Still, it delivers strong performance for anyone wanting a reliable outdoor wok setup for everyday use comfortably. Number 2. Concord Vortex Burner Outdoor Stove. The Concord Vortex Burner Outdoor Stove feels like a serious setup for outdoor cooking fans who want restaurant-style heat. I like how the wok sits directly on top, which makes tossing food feel smooth and natural. It works well for backyard kitchens, food trucks, or outdoor stir-fry nights with friends. Stainless frame helps protect the body from rust and rough weather over time. Vortex flame flow creates a spinning heat pattern that keeps the center of the wok very hot. The lower storage shelf is also useful for keeping sauces and tools close while cooking. The included lid helps cover the burner when not in use, which feels practical outdoors. One small downside is that it uses manual ignition, so you need to light it yourself. Still, it feels reliable and built for heavy outdoor cooking. Number 1. Concord Wok Block Propane Burner. The Concord Wok Block Propane Burner feels built for anyone who wants strong heat without a huge setup. It uses a 45,000 BTU burner that heats fast for stir-fry nights, camping, or backyard cooking. I found it easy to move because it weighs about 10 pounds and has a carry handle. Built-in wok ring keeps the wok steady and helps create better heat around the pan. 10 brass nozzles spread the flame well, which makes cooking feel even and smooth. The full welded frame also feels sturdy during outdoor use, especially on patios or tailgate trips. It can work as the best portable gas burner for wok when you need strong heat away from the kitchen. One small downside is that the propane flame may feel too strong for slow cooking at first. It still feels reliable and simple for outdoor cooking. Great for beginners too. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend Concord Wok Block Propane Burner as the best overall product and top pick. It feels simple, lightweight, and powerful enough for most backyard stir-fry cooking. I like how easy it is to carry and set up, especially for camping or quick outdoor meals. It gives strong heat without feeling complicated, which makes it great for everyday use. I recommend Concord Vortex Burner Outdoor Stove for a more premium, heavy-duty outdoor kitchen setup. It's better suited for serious cooking, food prep, or semi-commercial use where stability and stronger build quality matter more. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and need best.